Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Quizlet app. You will go to settings as you see and you can click. Here in this page you will enter two apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Quizlet and you will enter. Here in this page of app info you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click on clear cache. In the end you can go to Play Store. You will search about Quizlet app. And then you can update your app if you find update here.